Hello my friends and welcome back to the rabbit hole and welcome to my video on the final week of the Ulta Love Your Skin event. Did Ulta save the absolute best for last? Yo, I think so. I certainly think so. By now I'm just going to assume that you know the drill, so let's jump directly into this video because I really want you to know about what I think is the only item I've really worried about selling out in this sale. I know some of you know. Some of you know exactly where I'm going with this. So, Sunday, January 19th, mark your calendars for tomorrow. The CosRx Snail Mucin Essence is 50% off. I have now been talking about this product for years. I've been recommending it for years. I have never ever seen it for this price, and I think it's going to sell out. I'm going to buy the max. I believe, what I've heard is that you can buy 2 online, and some people have also had luck going in store to buy 2 more, so I think that's pretty much the max there. But yeah, that is absolutely an incredible price, $10.50. I guess I should reiterate really quickly what Snail does. So Snail Mucin contains a lot of potent skincare ingredients in itself, but for me, the number one characteristic of Snail Mucin is that it helps my skin to heal. Anytime I'm having any irritation, any breakouts, it speeds up the whole process of dealing with those problems. Snail is just, I love it. I love it. I cannot believe it's going to be $10.50. I'm so excited. I cannot recommend it enough. There have been some people that have told me Snail doesn't work for them, so do know that. Some people apparently, I suppose, have had allergic reactions to it. Some people do not like the texture. It is slimy. It's Snail Mucin. It's slimy. But if you're able to use it, I mean, I love it. I love it. If you're trying to hit a shipping minimum, I do have my Hot Buys video that I will link. Well, I'll link it up there for you. But I also do like some of the beauty steals on this day. I'm excited about the 50% off Skin Gym Jade Crystal Facial Roller. I don't have this specific brand, but I do have both a jade roller and a rose quartz roller, and I love them. I love them so much. I know a lot of people think they sound gimmicky, and I'm going to say that I don't know how much of the claims they live up to, but they're so relaxing. I absolutely love using these, and I think it's one of those tools where if you try it, you might feel the same as well. $16, that's a great price to pay for one. And feel free to share your thoughts below as always. You know, do you feel that you see the benefits? Do you feel they do help with lymphatic drainage? Or do you just enjoy using them as I do? Anyway, I think it's a great deal. It's one of my top picks. And then we have 50% off the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cleanser. That will be $14. That's a great price on that. I have not personally tried it, nor have I tried the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Expression Line Smoother. That is quite pricey at its retail price. Comment, as always, if you guys have experience with any of the products that I don't. Monday, January 20th, this is also a great day, in my opinion. 50% off Mario Badescu Select Acne Essentials. Finally, I'm going to grab some more drying lotion because you are not going to beat that price on drying lotion. Now, there's 2 different varieties here, and I finally have an opinion on which to get. So there's a glass bottle and a plastic bottle. That's it. That's the difference. Glass is always going to be better for the environment. Plastic is going to be better for those of you who drop literally everything you hold. I know it's some of you. I know it's some of you. So I'm not going to be judgmental about which you choose. I'm actually on the fence myself. I like glass. But man, I did just break a vitamin C the other day, and it was painful. It was so sad. We also have the silver powder. I don't recommend the silver powder. I don't like using it. It is very messy. I have concerns about breathing it in because it's literally a powder. And also the buffering lotion. I can't say I have any interest in trying this. It is isopropyl alcohol is the first ingredient. It's got some niacinamide in it. It just kind of seems like a waste to me. Drying lotion does have alcohol, and a lot of people are concerned about it, but it is just a topical. It's a topical treatment that works wonders if you do have a breakout. Whereas this, I look at the ingredients and, zinc in here, it's just, you get so much more from drying lotion that I wouldn't buy this because it's just too much alcohol for too little results. I get asked so often where I stand with alcohol. I will use a product if it's really, really good and contains it, but it's not my favorite ingredient. I certainly prefer for something else to be there. And yet I really do understand why it's in drying lotion. We also have 50% off the Kanuka CBD Calming Eye Balm. This is the only product from the last, I think it was the 21 Days of Beauty, that I have regretted not purchasing was the CBD balm, the original. So I think I'm still wavering because I do have a lot of skincare, but this really looks interesting to me. I'd say you need to know that this product contains beeswax and coconut oil. Those work for some people and not for everybody. But aside from that, beautiful base, hemp seed, shea, does have orange peel butter. That's quite unique. Manuka honey, which is amazing, and I like how transparent they are with the details of these ingredients. So you're getting the active form of Manuka honey, you are getting CBD isolate, 15 milligrams in here. I'm going to be completely honest with you, this is the same thing I felt with the last Kanuka balm. I don't think these are as likely to be huge game changers because there's not a lot of really, really intense ingredients in this, but it's really, really good ingredients. So that's why I want to try it so badly. I just don't know if I want to buy it. Who can relate? So we have the 50% off Hey Honey Good Morning Honey Silk Facial Serum. This will be $24. That's not a bad price. But there's nothing about this product that is really grabbing me. It's a bit high in silicones. It does contain honey, which is a great antibacterial ingredient. But I guess I would just like to see a little more interesting ingredients for me to grab it. But it doesn't look bad. And then Platinum Diamond Exclusive, 50% off It Cosmetics Confidence in a Neck Cream Moisturizer. $26 is a great price for a neck cream, but it's It Cosmetics and it certainly has everything but the kitchen sink in it. So if you have any kind of allergies, you've got to check the ingredients list on this one. But again, you know, $26, that's probably the cheapest neck cream that I've seen. On Tuesday, January 21st, we have 50% off Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. You know what's funny about Juice Beauty? I feel like they're kind of the natural version of It Cosmetics, but I feel that way solely because of the very long ingredients list. So, you know, I think it's either a brand you will love and will be excited about, or it's just kind of, you know, what else is there? 50% off Proactive Emergency Blemish Relief. I personally do not buy from Proactive. It is a 5% benzoyl peroxide treatment, which really works well for some people, but way too much staining for me. And then finally, 50% off Murad Rapid Age Spot and Pigment Lightening Serum. I actually did try this one quite a while ago. This is another one of those products where alcohol is really high in the ingredients list. It's after water. That's so high in the ingredients list, and there's just not a lot in here that I feel needs the alcohol. Nothing in here where, you know, oh, I understand why it's stabilizing that. So yeah, personally, that's a pass from me. Wednesday, January 22nd, we have 50% off the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream Minis Original and Pink Grapefruit Infusion. So they sent me, First Aid Beauty had sent me a set that was very similar to this, not the same one, and I've been loving it. I cannot believe how long those last because that Ultra Repair Cream is so thick. And one thing about this set that's kind of odd is they have an unscented version in here and then the pink grapefruit. I would feel comfortable using the unscented on my face, but I don't use the scented ones. They're quite scented. They're fantastic as body lotions though. So this could kind of be a nice face and body set that would probably last you a very long time. I'm thinking about grabbing it. Ultra Repair Cream is just a really, really good product. And then we have 50% off Dr. Roebuck's Arcona Imbibe and Meaningful Beauty. So the Imbibe here is a miracle collagen powder. I actually have to admit to you guys, I started buying collagen powders. I didn't buy this one, I bought the Ancient Nutrition one. I already went through the whole container, so I'm kind of thinking about it, but I never feel conclusive on collagen. I've read the research, I've tried it myself, and I always, even today, I sit here saying I finished off an entire container and I feel like I'm not really sure what it did, but I feel it did something. And I really and genuinely suspect that this could be the case for a lot of people, and it makes sense. Collagen does a lot of different things in the body. Swallowing it is not a guarantee that your body is going to decide, hey, we got some extra collagen, let's throw it on the face here. It's not a guarantee, but you know, that doesn't mean it's going to be useless for your body. It could go to your joints. It could be wonderful for your joints. So it's kind of, I don't know how to feel about it. Arcona Cranberry Gommage. So yeah, it's an exfoliant. Does have some alcohol in it. Yeah, I'm a chemical exfoliant fan personally, but it has some pretty good reviews. Dr. Roebuck's Byron 2-in-1 Mask and Scrub. Ooh, this will be $15. That's not bad. So this, one thing I really like about Dr. Roebuck's, and I hope to try more products from them, is that they do have nice, short, simple ingredients lists. The shorter the ingredients list, the less, you have to sit there and dig through ingredients. However, this does have peppermint and grapefruit oil as the last two ingredients, which are potential irritants. So, I still respect it. I respect that it is a simpler ingredients list, and if you have those allergies, you'll notice them real easily. Meaningful Beauty Wrinkle Smoothing Capsules. I always like the idea of capsules that give you the freshest product possible. You're getting peptides in here, so that's nice. But aside from that, it's not the most exciting ingredients list that I've ever seen, so I'm going to say, personally, it's a pass. Thursday, January 23rd, we have 50% off the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm, and yes, it is an amazing, luxurious cleansing balm. I very much enjoy using it. Right now, I've been going back and forth between Elemis and Eve Lom, and I just like them both. Just buy whatever you need. If you're running low, buy yourself a cleansing balm. If not, you're not really missing out if you don't buy all of the balms out there, but if you're looking for one, it's nice. 50% off Patchology. So what I like on this day is you have the option to buy a jar of eye gels. Again, I like this for environmental reasons. So that's actually a pretty good deal too. Yeah, that would be 30 eye gels for $25. That's pretty hard to beat. They also have the All Eyes on You Eye Perfecting Trio. This will be $7.50, and you'll be getting 8 of them in there. So it's a good way. That's a good way to get to try Patchology. If you know you love them, I'd go for the jar. And then also the Clarins Extra Firming Eye Treatment. They're saying that this is a groundbreaking 2-in-1 formula combining a serum and a balm, which sounds pretty great. But, it all relies on the ingredients. And looking at these, I'm a little underwhelmed. It doesn't look terrible. I do see some very good humectants, caffeine in here. It's just that with phenoxyethanol being so high in that ingredients list, a lot of what they're promoting is going to be really low. And I mean, it's already a 0.5 ounce container. So yeah, personally, haven't tried it, not really interested from looking at those ingredients. But skincare could always go in the direction of, well, the ingredients may look like that, but I loved it. So always share your thoughts. Friday, January 24th, we have 50% off the Dermablend Loose Setting Powder. This will be $14.50. I've got to tell you, I got to say it again. I've said it before on this product. At least take the time and look at the ingredient list, so you can get a good laugh. But some people love it. I think the benefit of this product is I've heard it's very finely milled, so that could be very nice. It could be very nice to use. 50% off the Tarte Travel Size Maracuja Oil. This is a great way to get to try Maracuja oil. I thought it worked well for me. There's a lot of oils that are good on the market, but yeah, if you're interested in trying it, not a bad price. 50% off the Lancome Advanced Genifique Hydrogel Melting Sheet Mask. Okay, 1 month last year, you guys got this for your birthday, right? Somebody comment, how was it? Because for me personally, while I love Lancome's makeup, their skincare, I think it's something in their fragrance. It just doesn't get along with my skin. It just doesn't. It's a shame because I look at these ingredients and I'm like, I bet this is actually pretty good. It does have bifidobacterium lysate high in the ingredients list, and I've thought for years that was Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair's secret. Lactobacillus in here. It probably does make for a nice sheet mask. Having those ingredients in a sheet mask isn't that common. Oh, and then this one, 50% off the Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse. So this is yet another cleansing option. It's a cleansing oil, so if you don't like balms to remove your makeup, you may like a cleansing oil. And yeah, this one is fine. I believe it does contain essential oils. Oh, they're really high in the ingredients list. Personally, I don't have any problems using essential oils in my cleansers or fragrance in my cleansers. But again, if you do have a more sensitive skin type, that could be a problem. And the final day of the event, the day that everything comes to an end and we have to wait another month for 21 Days of Beauty. All right, 2 months. So we have the Philosophy Ultimate Miracle Worker Collection. There is a lot in here. I don't think I've tried any of these products, so again, comment if you have. I do like Philosophy as a brand though. 50% off the Clinique Pep Start 2-in-1 Exfoliating Cleanser. That's fine, that's a great price for a cleanser. And then 50% off the Clinique for Men Maximum Hydrator 72-hour Auto Replenishing Hydrator. Skincare for men is really interesting because you might intuitively think, oh, it's going to be less gentle than skincare that would maybe be for women. But it's actually the opposite because brands do formulate with the idea of men shaving their face in their minds. So if it interests you and you're sitting there thinking, oh, well, I'm a woman, can I buy this? I mean, I have men's skincare. I have men's skincare around. I don't have any shame about using it. It's some good stuff. So that's it. We're at the end. Let me know in the comments below, what did you guys grab in this sale or what are you grabbing in this final event? If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.